Hey, what's up, YouTube? So I need help diagnosing my car. It's a 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee. She has 202,000 miles. I do believe I'm probably one of very few people who own the newer or the up-to-date model Jeep with over 200,000 miles, because I've viewed two things that don't even exist yet. But I need a mechanic's answer. What's this ticking sound that's all of a sudden been created? It's somewhere that tick, 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 and then when I hit the gas, it goes, yeah, it goes ticking faster. I'm also finding small bits of metal shavings in my oil filter.